Hi everyone. So today we're going to draw a turkey. So first we're going to start with the turkey's body. So we'll start with his head. So we'll go ahead and just draw kind of like a circle, but don't attach the bottom. And then we're going to draw his body, kind of like an oval shape. Just like that. And then we'll go ahead and add some eyes to our turkey. And then the pupils. And go ahead and add a beak. And then we'll add these little like gobbler things on the turkey's face. So we're also going to add some wings for our turkey, which he's kind of resting right now. So we're just going to have him down the sides of his body, and then also some feet, some legs and feet. Okay, and next we're going to go ahead and draw the feathers. So I'm going to start with one big feather at the top, and then I'm just going to come on this side and just draw a few more feathers coming out the back of the turkey. And then we'll draw like one more right here. And then do that to the other side. And then one more just coming out the side like that. All right, so next we're just gonna give like a pattern on each feather. Draw a line down the center. And then just kind of like you do for a leaf, we're just gonna add this little pattern that kind of looks like feathers for each one of those. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and use our black marker and outline our turkey. Do our eyes. Gotta be careful because it's kind of small. And the other eye. Our beak, our little gobbler things. And our feet. And then of course our feathers. And last one. All right. We're going to go ahead and erase all those pencil lines that we have on our drawing. All right, now we're going to go ahead and color our turkey. So for the turkey's body, I'm going to use this brown. The entire body. And his head. Just get very careful coloring around the face here. Okay. And we'll just go ahead and use our orange we're going to use for the beak and then the feet. And we're going to use this red for our little turkey gobblers. All right, so we're going to keep our red out and we're going to use the red for some of our feathers. Of course, you can color the feathers any color that you like. Yeah, they could even be, crazy colors. I'm going to go for more kind of natural colored turkey. But if you want to color them blue or purple or green or, whatever color is fine. And then I'm going to go on the opposite side here and color this one red also. Okay, and then I'm going to use this color. It's kind of like a kind of orangey red color. Go ahead and color that top feather. And then I'm also going to do these bottom feathers, this color. And then this other one on the other side. Okay, and then last color we're going to use this orange to color those last two feathers. Okay, and that's it. That's how you draw a turkey. If you like this video, please subscribe to see more. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.